Hello students, let's do some more short questions on the probability. These are from your previous year's question papers. A and B are two events such that probability of B 3 by 5, A when B is 1 by 2 and A union B is 4 by 5. We have to find the probability of A. First, what is given? Probability of A when B. The formula for probability of A when B is probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. Probability of A1B is 1 by 2 equals to probability of A intersection B upon probability of B is given 3 by 5. Taking 3 by 5 on the left hand side, 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 equals to probability of A intersection B, and which is equals to 3 by 10. Now we have to find probability of A. What is the formula for probability of A union B? This is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Probability of A union B is given 4 by 5 equals to probability of A plus probability of B is 3 by 5 minus probability of A intersection B. We have taken out 3 by 10. 4 by 5 equals to probability of A plus LCM is 10. 5 2s are 6 minus 3, that is 3 by 10. Now 4 by 5, taking this 3 by 10 on the left hand side, minus 3 by 10 equals to probability of A. 10 is LCM. 5 2s are 4 into 2 8 minus 3 equals to probability of A, which is equals to 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2, and this is our answer. Two cards are drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards with replacement. The probability that the cards are king. We have to find the probability that both the cards are king. How many kings do we have? Total we have total cards 52. Number of kings, we have 4 kings. Now what we have to find? We have to find 2 cards with replacement. Let E is the event to get first card of king, and F is event to get second card, that is also of king. What is probability of EF? Is probability of E into probability of F when E, as per multiplication rule of probability. What is the probability of E? Getting first card of king. Favorable outcomes we have 4, total 52, 4 by 52 into probability of F. We have to take the probability of second card king with replacement. We have replaced the earlier card. How many kings now we have? 4, total 52. 4 ones are 4 1s are 4 3s are 1 by 13. 1 by 13 into 1 by 13, 1 by 169 is our answer. A and B are two events such that probability of B is 0.6, probability of A when B is 0.1. We have to find probability of A intersection B. What is the formula for probability of A when B is? Probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. Probability of A intersection B is 0.1 equals to probability of A intersection B upon probability of B 0.6. Taking 0.6 on the left hand side, 0.1 into 0.6 equals to probability of A intersection B, that is 0.06 is the probability of A intersection B. A and B are independent events such that probability of A equals to probability of B equals to 1 by 3. We have to find probability of A union B. Now बच्चे, what is probability of A union B? Probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now since A and B are independent events, what is the formula for probability of A intersection B? It is probability of A into probability of B. That is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. Probability of A intersection B is 1 by 9. Now, probability of A union B will be, probability of A and B both are 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. Taking LCM, 3 3s are 9 plus 3 minus 1. That is 5 by 9 is our answer. Probability that A can solve a given problem is 3 by 5. The probability that B can solve the same problem is 2 by 3. Find the probability that at least one of them can solve the problem. But you can do this question in two ways. In our first way, what we have to find the probability that at least one of them solve the problem. Either A solve the problem or B solve the problem, or both of them can solve the problem. We can have A solve the problem and B has not solved. Probability of A into B complement, or probability of A has not solved, B has solved, or we can have probability of A solved and B has also solved. Now, what is the probability that A can solve the problem is 3 by 5 and B has not solved. B complement is 1 minus probability of B. This is probability of B complement, that is 1 minus, what is probability of B? 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, or A has not solved. What is the probability of A complement? 1 minus probability of A. What is probability of A? 3 by 5, that is 1 minus 3 by 5, 2 by 5. A complement is 2 by 5 into probability of B, 2 by 3, or probability of A and B both have solved. Probability that A has solved 3 by 5 and B has solved is 2 by 3. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. I am wrapping it from here. Now, 3 and 3 get cancelled, 1 by 5. For or we will write plus 2 into 2, 4 by 15, plus 3 and 3 get cancelled, 2 by 5. Taking LCM, 15, 5 3s are plus 4 plus 5 3s are 3 2s are 6. 13 by 15 is our answer. This is the one way to do our question. Another way, what we have to find? We have to find that probability of at least one of them can solve. Means what we have to find? We have to find probability of A union B. What is A union B? At least one of them has solved. Formula is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Probability of A and B is given. What about probability of A intersection B? A can solve a problem and B can solve a problem. Both the events are different. They are not dependent. It means that A and B are independent events. When A and B are independent, it means probability of A intersection B will be equals to probability of A into probability of B. That is 3 by 5 into 2 by 3, which is equals to 2 by 5. Now, what will be the probability of A union B? 3 by 5 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 5. LCM is 15. 5 3s are 3 3s are 9 plus 3 5s are 5 2s are 10 minus 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6. 19 minus 6, that is 13 by 50. You can do your question in this way also. The probability of A, B, C solving a problem are 1 by 6, 1 by 5 and 1 by 3. The probability that A has solved a problem is 1 by 6, B has solved 1 by 5 and probability that C has solved is 1 by 3. We have to find the probability that the problem is solved. What we have to find? We have to find probability of A union B union C. And what is the formula? Probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of A intersection B minus probability of A intersection C minus probability of B intersection C plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. But we don't know the probability of A intersection B intersection C and B intersection C. Now what we can do? Now बच्चे, what is the probability that A has not solved the problem? Probability of A complement. This is probability that A has not solved the problem is 1 minus probability of A has solved the problem. That is 1 minus 1 by 6, 5 by 6. Probability that B has not solved the problem. Probability of B complement 1 minus probability of B, which is equals to 1 minus 1 by 5, 4 by 5. Probability that C has not solved the problem. 1 minus probability of C, that is 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Now, what is the probability that problem has not solved? No one has solved, means probability of A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement. Problem has not solved by anyone. Now, since A, B, C are independent events, now what will be the value of probability of A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement? Will be probability of A complement into probability of B complement into probability of C complement. Therefore, the probability that problem is not solved is probability of A complement is 5 by 6 into 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. 5 and 5 get cancelled. 2 3s are. This is 4 by 9. This is probability that the problem has not solved. What we have to find? We have to find the probability that problem has solved. The probability of problem solved is 1 minus that the probability that the problem is not solved, that is 1 minus 4 by 9. 5 by 9 is our answer. If A and B are events such that probability of A is 0.3, probability of B is 0.2 and probability of A intersection B is 0.1, we have to find probability of A complement intersection B. But you can understand it from this diagram, this Venn diagram. This is A and this is B. Probability of A is given 0.3. A, B. This section is A intersection B. Now, we have to find intersection of A complement. This is area of A. Probability of A. This is area of A. We have to find which is common between A complement. Except this area, the whole area will be in A complement intersection B. Which area is common in A complement and B? This area. And how can we find this area? If we subtract the probability of A intersection B from the probability of B, what will we get? Probability of A complement intersection B. Which is common between A complement? The area outside this A is A complement. Common between A complement and B is this much area, and we can find this by subtracting A intersection B from B. What is probability of B? 0.2 minus what is probability of A intersection B? 0.1. Therefore, 0.1 is our answer. Probability of A is 1 by 4, probability of B is 1 by 3 and probability of A intersection B is 1 by 5. We have to find the probability of B complement when A complement. What will be the formula? Probability of B complement intersection A complement upon probability of A complement. And what is probability of B complement intersection A complement? As per De Morgan's law, it is equals to B union A complement. What is A union B or B union A? One and the same thing. Now let's check. Formula for A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Probability of A is 1 by 4. Probability of B is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Taking LCM, 60. 4 ones are 4 fives are 20 minus 12. 35 minus 12 is 23 by 60. This is probability of A union B. What we need? A union B complement. Probability of A union B complement will be 1 minus 23 by 60. That is 60 minus 23, 37 by 60. Now, probability of B complement intersection A complement is B union A complement, which is 37 by 60 upon what is probability of A complement? Probability of A complement is 1 minus probability of A, which is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. We will write 3 by 4 here. Now 37 by 60 into 4 by 3. 4 ones are 4 15s are 37 by 45 is our answer. If A and B are independent events, then probability of A complement when B complement. A complement when B complement. But if A and B are independent events, it means A complement and B complement are also independent. In case A and B are independent, then probability of A intersection B is probability of A into probability of B. In the same way, if A and B are independent, A complement and B complement are also independent, and intersection of A complement and B complement is probability of A complement into probability of B complement. Now, what is probability of A complement when B complement? It is probability of A complement intersection B complement upon probability of B complement. What is probability of A complement intersection B complement? Probability of A complement into probability of B complement upon probability of B complement is cancelled. What is probability of A complement when B complement? Is probability of A complement. Which is the correct option? Our answer is probability of A complement. And what is probability of A complement? 1 minus probability of A. Therefore, option A is our correct option.